Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Konkani Ulai. Today we are going to learn numbers from 61 to 80 in Konkani. Before we proceed, guys, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified about my all the videos and learn Konkani more easy with my channel Konkani Ulai. So let's start learning. Numbers means आकडे. 61 61 62 62 62 63 63 63 64 64 64 65 65 65 66 66 67 67 67 68 68 68 69 69 69 70 70 70 71 71 72 72 72 73 73 73 74 74 74 75 75 76 76 77 77 77 78 78 78 79 79 79 80 80 80. So this is all for today. Thank you guys for watching my video and keep following my channel Konkani Ulai.